Illinois.
The Information Accessibility Design and Policy Program is designed to achieve 3 objectives. We will introduce students to the principles of information technology accessibility architecture and universal design technologies. Second, we will increase students' knowledge of relevant policies and legal rulings that govern IT accessibility. And lastly, we will familiarize students with the national and international standards of IT accessibility. So if you are an instructional designer, a software programmer, information technology engineer, this program is for you. We are very excited about this new certificate program. We are among a few universities in the world offering this type of training.
This university began in 1948 with the return of veterans from the Second World War with disabilities in creating opportunities for them to use the GI benefit to achieve their educational goals. And we were the first university to do that. The primary reason that Illinois is where it is and is so widely heralded is predominantly attributable to Timothy J. Nugent. It's a legacy of this institution that goes back 67 years and is quite extraordinary.
Accessibility to me means people have equal access to the technologies everyone else does. Just like we have curb cuts and ramps into buildings, it's making sure we have these electronic curb cuts and ramps into the software and web pages that people use on a daily basis.
The primary obstacle is people just are not aware. The course that we'll be teaching will raise that awareness. It will equip web developers and designers with the kinds of tools and understanding and techniques that they need in order to produce a much more accessible site. And oftentimes those techniques are very easy to implement and they can make a world of difference.
Well, I think it's important for people to start learning about accessibility and disability access. It's required by law. Anybody receiving federal funds has to make their programs and services accessible to people with disabilities. Many companies are working on accessibility. IBM, Microsoft, Apple, Oracle, SAP all have accessibility teams that are working on trying to make their products compliant.
We tend to think of accessibility as something that serves only a minuscule percentage of the population. And the truth is, disability or functional limitation is something that we all experience throughout our lives. And we all at some point require assistance that we might otherwise characterize as an accessibility need.
Accessibility should be viewed as an innovation rather than as a hindrance. Implementing accessibility makes your product better for a wider audience.
I really encourage people to enroll in this program. We need more people who understand accessibility and the experience of people with disabilities. If we all work at this together, it will enhance and make technology more usable and accessible to everyone.
The aim is to make information accessibility better for persons with disabilities. We believe strongly that our program will enable that goal to be achieved.